Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically turn on the scientific calculator on your iPhone. It is actually super simple to do. To do that, you are going to open up your calculator. You can open it from your control center if you have it here, or you can open it from utilities, open up calculator. And then you are going to grab the control center again, because obviously there's not a way to just view the scientific calculator right now. You're going to grab the control center, so drag it from the top right of your corner, and you're actually going to turn off the portrait orientation lock, and then you're just going to turn it this way, and voila, as you can see, it turns sideways into a scientific calculator. There's sin, costan. Don't even remember how you can do that anymore. There's even like pi, 31415. That's all I remember. But yeah, that's how you can turn on your scientific calculator on your iPhone. Again, I'll show it to you guys one more time so you guys can see. So to do that, again, go to the control center and then select the portrait orientation. Why is that word so hard for me to say? Then you're just going to turn your phone into a landscape mode, and then you'll be able to see all the stuff here. I don't really know how to use it. If I'm being honest, like, I'm not the best mathematical person, so I'm in a sentence, I don't even know. But yes, that is it. That is how you can turn on scientific calculator on your iPhone, even after updates. You'll still be able to see it. But if you have an iOS 18, it changed this to a permanent scientific calculator with phone. So under the one key of the calculator, you'll see and touch the key with the calculator icon, and then you can select scientific. If you have like another iOS version, like the latest version, but my one is old, so the landscape portrait thing still works. But if it doesn't work for you, I think you just press like 1 or something, and there will be a button that says you can change it to scientific. So yeah, just think about that if you have like a higher iOS version, whatever you want to call it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.